CIS scholars. In the last session, we have done recall. Today, we will move further, adding 3 two-digit number. Let us add 24, 13 and 11. First, we will write these numbers in the correct columns. If you look here, there is a table of tens and ones. We will write the numbers in the correct column. So the first number is 24. 2 in the tens column, 4 in the ones column. The next number is 13. 1 in tens column, 3 in ones column. And the number is 11. So 1 in the tens column and again 1 is there, so it will be in the ones column. Now, after writing the number in the correct column, we will use the sign of addition, that is plus. Now, first we will do ones column. The first number is 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, the number is 3. 1, 2, 3. After 3, there is one more number, 1. So, 1. Now, let us count all the blocks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 4 plus 3 plus 1, your answer is 8. Now, let us move to the tens column. The first number is 2. So, 2 tens. After that, the number is 1. Here it is 1 tens. After that, again there is a number 1. Now, let us count the blocks 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the answer is 4 tens. So, 24 plus 30 plus 11, your answer is 48. Let us add 12, 23 and 31. We will write the numbers first in the correct column. The first number is 12. So 1 in the tens column, 2 in ones column. After that, the number is 23. So 2 in tens column, 3 in ones column. And the last number is 31. 3 in tens column, 1 in ones column. Now we will use the addition sign, that is plus. Now first we will start from ones column. The first one is 2. 1, 2. After that, the number is 3. 1, 2, 3. After that, the number is 1. Now let us count all the blocks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Now let us move to the tens column. The first number is 1. So 1 tens. After that, the number is 2. So here it is 2 tens. After that, the number is 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6 tens. So the answer will be 12 plus 23 plus 31. Answer is 66. Now let us move to the next slide. Let us add 34, 13 and 20. Now we will add on our fingers. First let us make a column. The first number is 34. 3 in the tens place and 4 in ones column. 13, 1 in tens column, 3 in the ones column, 2 in the tens column, 0 in the ones column. Now plus sign. Now starting with the ones column. The first one is 4. Now you all will open your 4 fingers. Now after 4 the number is 3. Now you will open 3 more fingers. After that the number is 0. Any number added to 0, you will get the same answer. So let us count the fingers which are opened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Now let us go to the tens column. Now open 3 fingers. Now open 1 more. Now open 2 more fingers. Now count how many fingers are opened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your answer is 6. So 34 plus 13 plus 20, your answer is 67. Addition with regrouping. 10 ones make 1 10. I am repeating, 10 ones make 1 10. Addition with regrouping. Let us add 23 and 19. First we will arrange the number in the column, 2 in the tens column and 3 in ones column. 19, 1 in the tens column, 9 in the ones column. Plus sign. Okay. Now first we will start from the ones column. 3, 1, 2, 3. The next number is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now count all the blocks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But we cannot write 12 in ones column, right? So 3 ones plus 9 ones equals to 12 ones. What we will do is 10 ones make 1 10. So 1 will be your carryover and 2 you will write in the ones column. Now, in tens column, if you see it, the first number is 1. That's next to it, it is 2. So, 2 tens. Now, after 2, the number is 1. Now, count. How many are there? It is 4. So, 1 plus 2 plus 1, the answer is 4. Now let us add 54 and 26. First we will arrange the number in the correct column, 5 in the tens column, 4 in the ones column. After that the number is 26. 2 in the tens column, 6 in ones column. We will use the addition sign plus. Now starting from the ones column, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, the number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let us count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we cannot write 10 in ones column. What we have to do is 4 ones plus 6 ones equals to 10 ones. So we will write 0 in the ones column and 1 will be your carryover under the tens column. Now let's count the tens column. 1. After 1, the number is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5, the number is 2. 1, 2. Now count all the blocks of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your answer is 8. We will write 8 in the tens column. Now let us add 62 and 28. So we will write in the column. Under the tens column, the number will be 6. Under the ones column, the number will be 2. The next number is 28. In tens column, the number will be 2. In ones column, the number will be 8. Now we will use the plus sign. Now first we will start from the ones column. The number is 2, 1, 2. The next number is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let us count all the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we cannot write 10 in ones column. What we have to do is 2 ones and 8 ones is equal to 10 ones. Now we will write 0 in the ones column and 1 in the tens column. Now let us add tens column. 1. The next number is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, the number is 2, 1, 2. Now, count all the numbers, count all the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 1 plus 6 plus 2 is 9.